Hi, pagbigyan niyo na po akong awitin muli itong old song na to. At inaalay ko po ang kantang to sa aking mga magulang kasi ito yung naririnig ko every time na bibisitahin nila ako sa Palanday dyan sa may Kalbag. At ito rin yung palagi kong naririnig na pinapatugtog ni nanay doon sa plaka nila. Yung plaka na malalaki, ewan ko kung meron pa, tuwing paluwas na sila ng Maynila. Ayan. Naalala ko lang bigla. Tay, nay, para sa inyo. I love you po. Hold me close before you say goodbye. I will miss you when without you I will die. So I want you to stay with me, but I know this can never be. Only yesterday you said we'd never part, but now you're gone, you've left me with a broken heart. So won't you please come back to me. You know I want you in my life. Since you left, all around me seems so dark. So tell me dear, what will I do now that you're gone? So won't you please come back to me, my dear. Bring back the memories of our dreams. Though this is the price I get for loving you, I still miss you, want you along for you. So won't you please come back to me, my dear. Bring back the memories of our dreams. Only yesterday you said we'd never part, but now you're gone, you left me with a broken heart. So won't you please come back to me. You know I want you in my life. Since you left, all around me seems so dark. So tell me dear, what will I do now that you're gone? So won't you please come back to me, my dear. Bring back the memories of our dreams. Bring back the memories of our dreams. Maraming salamat po.